It is dead. All right, guys, we are at Verdi Boat Storage, and I'm out here. I worked on this boat a couple weeks ago, and I did a starter. Customer said that the trim went out on him, the trim tabs went out on him, the stereo's doing funny stuff. Okay, so we got our trusty power probe. Since we're gonna be chasing electrical, we got a load tester. Okay, battery switch is off. Let's go ahead and start with the basics. If I'm chasing an electrical problem, the first thing I'm going to is I'm gonna make sure we got good batteries. So upon a visual inspection, everything looks really good and clean. Nothing obvious. Battery switch on. All right, we got key power. So he said trim tabs don't work, but they are lit up. So he's got the Bennett's. Yep, they're not doing anything. Trim. Okay, so let's go to combine real quick. So we'll go from on to combine. Let's see if that fixes anything. Trim pump just cycled. Oh, trim tabs work. Outdrive works. Well, that was an easy diag. All right, well, we fixed that problem, but let's go ahead and find out and confirm why. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna have to go grab just a couple tools. The crusty tool pouch. Oops. It's a little chilly out this morning. All right, so we're gonna load test these batteries. We're gonna isolate them. Grab our load tester. I love all the people that talk shit about this load tester. Like, come on, guys. It works fine. All right, holding strong at 10.6. Held really strong. Next battery, the Duralast. All right, let's see what you got, baby. Duralast is showing 11. It is dead. What do you know? He was properly trained. If he would have known to go to combine, he could have simply saved his day, trimmed his boat up, probably continued boating just fine. But he went the whole distance to disconnect his outdrive, trim it up, had to leave the boat in the water. So that's why it's important to not only be a mechanic or a technician, but be your customer advocate, right? Train them, teach